Welcome to 50 Belle Ave, Unit 102 in Medford. This renovated schoolhouse offers an abundance of light with oversized windows, soaring ceilings, and an open floor plan. Come check it out and enjoy the tour. My name is John from the Ternullo team at Leading Edge Real Estate. For more information on this great home, or if you'd like to schedule a private showing, or if you're considering a move in the suburbs north of Boston, give us a call at 617-275-3379. Check out our website at ternullorealestate.com and like our Facebook page to learn more about other great properties coming on the market soon.